Hi everyone, this is Dr. S. Sabdagiri, Associate Professor from the Department of Agriculture Engineering, Sri Sanmuga College of Engineering and Technology. In this lecture, we are going to see about carbon farming and sustainable agronomic practices. Carbon farming and sustainable agronomic practices. What is carbon farming? Carbon farming is a system of agricultural practices which is designed to capture atmospheric carbon dioxide and store it in soil, vegetation, and it helps in improving soil fertility and crop productivity. It's nothing but capturing of atmospheric carbon dioxide, storing into soil and vegetation. The objectives of carbon farming is to increase soil organic carbon and helps in reducing greenhouse gas emission, improving soil health, and enhances sustainable crop production. Why carbon farming is important? The global challenges we are facing in current agriculture is climate change, rising atmospheric CO2, soil degradation, loss of soil organic carbon, decline in agricultural productivity, increased greenhouse gas emission. These are the reasons why current agriculture is facing challenges. So the need for carbon farming is to improve soil fertility, increase carbon sequestration, enhances climate resilient agriculture, and it helps in support sustainable agricultural development. These are the reasons for carbon farming. The carbon cycle in agriculture is the carbon cycle. In carbon cycle, plant absorbs CO2 through photosynthesis. Carbon is stored in plant biomasses. Crop residues and roots add carbon to the soil. Soil microorganism converts residues into soil organic matter. Carbon remains stored in the soil. It helps in carbon sequestration. These are the basic cycle of carbon in atmosphere and in agriculture. The image shows the carbon cycle in agriculture. Next one is carbon farming practices. The carbon sequestration farming practices are the major practices are conservation tillage, cover cropping, crop rotation, agroforestry, green manuring, compost application, biochar application, organic farming, precision nutrient management. These are the techniques helps in capturing organic farming. The sustainable agronomic practices are integrated nutrient management, integrated pest management, efficient irrigation management through drip and sprinkler irrigation, conservation agriculture, mulching, precision agriculture, reduced use of chemical fertilizers, use of biofertilizers. These are the improvement practices which helps in agronomic practices in a sustainable way. The benefits of carbon farming are environmental benefit and agricultural benefit. The environmental benefit is it helps in carbon sequestration and helps in reducing the atmospheric CO2 concentration. Thereby, it can reduces the greenhouse gas emission and reduces the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. And it also helps in increased biodiversity due to increased soil health and increased availability of organic matter. It helps in better water conservation. It helps in reduced soil erosion. The agriculture benefits are higher soil fertility, improved nutrient availability, better water holding capacity, increased crop productivity, increased resilience to the drought and drought tolerance and environmental tolerance. These are the agricultural benefits and benefits of carbon farming. Recent technologies in carbon farming, carbon sequestration is modern innovations through AI-based soil carbon monitoring, remote sensing, drone technologies, GIS mapping, IoT-based soil sensors, carbon footprint assessment, digital agriculture, satellite monitoring. These are the recent technologies in carbon farming. Challenges and future prospects are the major challenges are farmers having low awareness about carbon farming, high initial investment, lack of carbon measurement tools and implements, limited policy supports, need for technical training. These are the challenges in adopting carbon farming. The future prospects are carbon credit market is increasing day by day. Climate smart we are shifting towards climate smart agriculture. Lot of government initiatives are there. Sustainable food production, net zero agriculture practices following. These are the these are the future prospects of carbon farming. Conclusion: the carbon farming is an effective strategy for mitigating climate change while improving soil health and crop productivity. By adopting the sustainable agriculture practices, farmers can enhance carbon sequestration, reduce greenhouse gas emission, improve resource use efficiency, ensure long-term sustainability. In wide adoption of carbon farming helps in significantly contributing towards future security and environmental conservation. Thank you.